Today, we will guide you on setting up your new Garmin epix Pro Gen 2 multisport watch. Garmin recommends you charge your watch for 2 hours before heading out on your adventure. For longer adventures, you can always keep your charging cable handy to charge up on the go. You can even use a UL-licensed power bank. Or, if your compatible smartphone supports reverse charging, connect directly to the device to charge your smartwatch. First, press and hold the light button on the top left to power on your watch. When ready, press the Start/Stop button in the upper right of the watch to begin. Then, use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Press the Start/Stop button to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the checkmark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. If you already have the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone, scanning this code will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning the code will direct you to install the Garmin Connect application. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Connect app. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. The app will now begin searching for your device. For new or existing customers, select Connect It when the app recognizes your watch. Your watch will now display a 6-digit Bluetooth pairing code that you will need to confirm on the Garmin Connect app. Select Pair. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish. The app will offer to guide you through enabling key features and services. You can choose to proceed with the app or dismiss. Now that your watch and smartphone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. As you first start using the watch, helpful tips will display to help you learn more about the watch. Your epix Pro also includes a touchscreen that you can use to operate the watch. For example, you can tap on the screen to enable the backlight. Swiping up or down allows you to scroll through the pages. Touch on an option to select it. To learn more about using your touchscreen, see the owner's manual at support.garmin.com. And that's it, your Garmin epix Pro Gen 2 is now set up. To learn more about your watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.